What if you could launch a fully branded ERP system for your clients, without spending months writing code from scratch? That's exactly what NexERP makes possible. NexERP is a complete, white-label enterprise resource planning system built with ASP.NET Core 10 MVC and Entity Framework Core 10 on SQL Server. It ships with 30 built-in modules, role-based access control, and a clean, professional UI, all delivered as full, unencrypted source code with no domain restrictions and a one-time payment. Whether you're a developer, an IT consultant, a freelancer, or a SaaS entrepreneur, NexERP gives you a production-ready ERP foundation you can deploy, customize, and rebrand as your own. Before we go deeper, let's quickly cover what an ERP system actually does. Now let's talk about what's inside NexERP, because this is where it gets impressive. On the communication and support side, NexERP includes front desk, communication, tickets, issues management, disputes, documents, and marketing, so client-facing teams and internal support staff are fully covered. And finally, finance and reporting, with a full accounts module and a reports module that gives business owners and managers the financial visibility they need. All 30 modules are active out of the box. No per-module licensing, no add-ons, no extra fees. NexERP includes a built-in role-based access control system powered by ASP.NET Core Identity. 4 roles come pre-configured. The admin has full access to every module in the system. The staff role covers operations, sales, purchase, inventory, POS, and projects. The employee role gives access to HR self-service, tasks, communication, and support tickets. And the client role provides limited access to tickets, documents, communication, and a view-only POS interface. What makes this powerful is that permissions are fully configurable, per role, per module. View, create, edit, delete. You set it directly from the Users and Permissions panel inside the admin dashboard. No code changes required, no database edits, just a clean, point-and-click permission system that works the way enterprise clients expect. Let's look at the technology underneath NexERP. The framework is ASP.NET Core 10 MVC, Microsoft's latest, most performant web framework for building enterprise-grade applications. The data layer runs on Entity Framework Core 10 with SQL Server, supporting both local DB for local development and a full SQL Server instance for production deployment. Authentication and authorization are handled by ASP.NET Core Identity, integrated directly into the roles and permissions system. The UI is built on Bootstrap 4 with Font Awesome 4.7 icons, data tables, JS for advanced grid functionality, and Inter and Sora fonts for a clean, modern look. The codebase is structured into 2 clean projects, NexERP. Data for the EF Core DB context, entities, migrations, and seed data, and NexERP. Web for all MVC controllers, views, filters, and view components. Clean architecture, easy to extend. So who is NexERP built for? If you're an ASP.NET developer, NexERP lets you deliver a full enterprise ERP to a client in days, not months. The hard work is already done. You customize, brand, and deploy. If you're an IT consultant or system integrator, you can white-label NexERP, put your own company name on it, and offer it as a managed ERP solution to your SMB clients. No revenue sharing, no per-seat licensing. You own the deployment. If you're a SaaS entrepreneur, NexERP gives you the foundation for a commercial, hosted ERP product targeting a specific industry or region. Build your niche on top of a battle-tested codebase. And if you're a freelancer looking to win larger, higher-value projects, NexERP is the starting point that lets you say yes to enterprise-level work with confidence. NexERP is sold as clean, readable, fully unencrypted ASP.NET Core 10 source code. No obfuscation, no domain restrictions, no recurring license fees, one payment, full ownership. It's also the sister product to NexCRM, Coderobotics' companion CRM system. So if your client needs both customer relationship management and full ERP operations, you can deploy both from the same trusted source. NexERP is available now at Coderobotics.com. Head to the link in the description to view the full module list, tech specs, and pricing, and get the source code today. NexERP, built for developers, ready for enterprise. Available at Coderobotics.com.